Hey guys, what's going on? Ali here from Solid Trade. So today I alerted BA here, right, in this nice channel, and I said, guys, watch it. If it breaks out, it's probably going to go up. And it did break out. However, as soon as it broke out, it eventually failed. And I said, guys, I took a loss and I cut it. Okay. I said it looked really good, but all of a sudden it suddenly reversed and I cut it and I took a loss. And that saved me thousands of dollars, at least $3,000 to $4,000. And here's how it happened. So let's look at the trade here, and I want to show you how to cut your losses quick and how to realize that something is not working anymore. You need to cut your loss quick as possible. Okay, so the number one thing you need to do, so first let's look at the trade here. So I alerted this pattern, okay, and I entered right here. I entered here with about 250 shares, so it's a pretty decent size. With the Boeing with $200 stock, I was looking to make about 600 to 700 bucks on it, and my first target was right here. Okay, so I entered here at the break. It went up and I was nice up. However, this was not my target. My stop loss was right below it. Okay, however, as soon as it went up, it just started to go here, and then boom, it went down, and I cut it. I cut it right here. So I got in here and I cut it right here. I almost cut it break even, but since I had a nice amount of shares and it was expensive stock, I still ended up losing 150 bucks. But it's not really a big deal. It's a very, very small loss for me. Okay, it's nothing. However, imagine if I had held it all the way down. Look what happened. Now, why did I cut the loss right here where I did? The reason why is because this was a very, very good setup. I would take this setup every single day. Why? Because if you notice here, let's look up here and go back further, and I'm going to clean the chart. And notice here, BA yesterday was very, very strong. Okay, and notice where this was support and is acted as support here, and then look where did it come down to today, right here at the exact same level. But then on top of it, it made a really nice trend. So this was a really good long opportunity. Normally 9 out of 10 times stocks, when it breaks out, it goes up huge, and I thought it was going to be a really good trade. I'm going to make 70,000 bucks, 700,000 bucks on it. However, once it started to fail, notice here on the 5-minute chart, it broke the VWAP, but then it should have held VWAP, but it broke. Okay, and as soon as it broke and it broke the 5-minute candle right here, okay, I cut my loss right here. So I ended here and I cut my loss right here. That's it. Okay, and normally this should have just gone. This should have not broken it. The fact that I did, it means a lot of people got long here, because this was a really if, like I said, I would take this setup every single day, every time I see it. So a lot of other people also bought in here too. And look at the volume here at bottom. Look at the volume here at the break. You see a big volume, so it means a lot of people got in. Okay, however, it started failing, and once it started failing, so everybody else who got in just like me started bailing out. So so what happens is that it causes this effect of chain effect, where everybody starts to get out because they think, okay, it was a great setup and it's not working, so now they start to get out, and look what happened. Stock, and then also the market reversed as well, right? So right here the market reversed as well. I didn't know what's going on, right? I have no idea what's going on, but I can see the price action, and because of price action, I was able to cut my loss really quick, and able to avoid this massive $4,000 or $5,000 loss. Okay, the stock went down like 20, it went about like 20 bucks or whatever, and this would have been a big loss. And obviously if I had cut it, and especially imagine what if I had just averaged down and averaged down and averaged down, this would have been a huge loss, right? Instead, just able to cut it really short, and then later we got in here on the other trade, right? And then we got in VXX, and look, this is how it should look like when you get into a trade. That's what you need to look at. And then it ended up having a really good day just because of this. So you cut your loss really quick, and then what you do is when you do end up winning, you take a nice big profit. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you how to cut losses quick so that you can stay consistently profitable in the stock market. Alright guys, take care. See you guys in the chat. Bye.